In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add holdings to Seeking Alpha portfolio. First, sign into your Seeking Alpha account on the website or through the mobile app. Being logged in ensures any changes you make are saved to the right place and synced across your devices. Next, head to your portfolios. On desktop, click Portfolios from the main menu. On the mobile app, tap the Portfolio tab. This brings you to the list of portfolios you've created so you can choose where you want to work. Open the portfolio you want to edit. Click or tap the specific portfolio where you'd like to add a holding. If you don't have one set up yet, create a new portfolio first, then return here. Many people keep separate portfolios for different goals or accounts, which makes performance tracking clearer. Now it's time to add the holding. Look for an option labeled Add Symbol plus Add Holding, or sometimes Edit Portfolio followed by an Add button. The exact wording can vary a bit depending on your device or the latest layout, but they all take you to the same entry form. If you don't see the button right away, check the top area of the page or scroll slightly. In the form, enter your stock details. Start with the ticker symbol, such as AAPL or MSFT. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct ticker, especially for companies with multiple share classes. Next, enter the number of shares you hold. This field is optional, but it's strongly recommended because it allows Seeking Alpha to calculate your cost basis, day change, and overall gains or losses. You can also enter the purchase price and the purchase date. These are optional too, but they help create a more accurate picture of your performance over time and improve the quality of the analytics you'll see. If you're simply tracking a stock you're researching and don't own shares yet, it's fine to leave shares, price, and date blank and just follow the ticker. When everything looks good, save your entry. Click Save, Add, or Done, depending on what's displayed on your device. Your stock will now appear in the portfolio immediately. If you entered shares and a purchase price, your performance metrics will populate and update as the market moves. If you have more positions to add, just repeat the same process for each ticker. That's all it takes to manually add holdings to your Seeking Alpha portfolio. With a few quick entries, you'll have a cleaner view of your investments and a better handle on performance, all in one place.